klase talaga binibigay niya itong Marcus lately para sa BMX Llamados. Through their first 3 games here in the semifinals, madalas halos siya lang talaga nagdadala. Kaya naman, jack up na niya yung scoring average niya to 30 points per game.
Has not been the case though today, Mag-Group, para kay Marcus Blakey. Has not been on beast mode yet para sa ating laro na to. But still, you know, good numbers. He's got 9 points and 4 rebounds. But
tinumo naman.
Mga laro dito sa semis, 20-20.
Ang klase talaga as Bozeman will miss. Hinayang siya, tutukan na yun, Jason.
Yes, and those are the shots that you cannot afford to miss. In a game like this, where points are in such a premium.
Nakikita naman.
Napakahirap